your attention now, huh? What's up, dude? Squawk or something. Huh? Huh? Where are you going? What? Why are you hiding for, dude? Why are you just chilling there? Did you come from your escape convict? Huh? Or are you a wild lovebird?
Are you still trying to catch
He went to go eat. I'm recording him now. Oh, it's pretty funny.
Come on, baby.
Let me zoom in on this action. Wish I had a better camera. Well, he's not going away. I guess that's why you call them lovebirds. Huh? Oh, 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 oh! Hey! Wow!
Where is he?
Right there. He flew like right there, baby.
Come on, baby. Did you eat all the bread?
He ate some of it. Mom, that's a whole piece of bread. It's bigger than he is. He's right there by the edge.
Come on. Come on. Oh my God, he's drinking water. Come on.
That would be crazy if he lands on my finger, Mom.
Come on.
That would be awesome.
Come on. Come on, baby.
What kind of sounds do you make to a bird? Maybe if I get a stick or something and he'll fly out onto it. I don't want to scare him by getting up, though.
He wants to come.
I know.
He's like, give me some food, man.
I don't have something for him to land on. Look what I'm trying to get him to land on. A paintbrush. It's ridiculous. I'm going to put it on Facebook.
Jeff said while he was making the stop and go sign on the traffic.
Come on, buddy.
For the water supply, he said he got a hold of a duck.
What? What do you mean got a hold of one?
He's a duck.
What?
Yes, well.
No way.
Traffic and everybody was honking their horn and stuff. Good.
Come on, buddy. Come down here. Come on.
Come on.
Look, I'm still holding it out. That's pretty ridiculous. Come on, buddy. I don't know if he's going to get any closer. I don't want to scare him by getting up.
Something.
Well, I know...
Oh, you want.
Well, I know Pito, he squawks, and he always, like, tries to fly by me.
Yeah. Come on, buddy.
Come on. I hope he doesn't fly away. Okay. Let's see if he actually...
This is my bird.
Come on, buddy. Look, I have my finger trying to go towards him. Oh. Come on. Oh. See?
Come to Uncle. Come on.
Come on. Oh, this is kind of crazy. Please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Come on. His feathers look kind of crazy. I wonder how old he is. Come on, dude. Okay, I'm gonna sit back down.
I want to be free. Forget that.
Okay, I'm sitting down on my little red bucket. Oh. Hey, you're ready? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna sit down. That would be so awesome if he actually flew by me.
Come here. Come on. Check him out. Come on. Come check him out. Click on his head. Offer him your head. He likes
what? Mom, hey, this is like, see how much he would trust me. Man, I'm gonna let him trust me if he lands on my head and bites me.
You gotta call him. Come here, baby. Come on.
Come on, I won't hurt you, I promise.
Come on. Baby.
He obviously wants attention.
Yeah.
Right?
So
come on, dude. I know, where's your girlfriend?
I'm so lonely.
Grandpa needs to replace that little gutter. It's falling off. Look at that, it's falling off on the end.
I know.
I'm gonna see how much of the food he ate. Right? Watch, I'm pretty sure he won't fly away. Okay. Well, he ate some of the bread. He didn't touch the guava, though. Yeah, he didn't touch the guava. And look, you're still there.
If you want to eat more food, come on my side, our side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you got me interested, Birdie. Come on.
Come on. That's why you never bring the bread with you.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Capture him, wrap him up in your shirt.
What? I'm not... Here, I'll take some of it. I'm gonna do a little breadcrumb. Do a little breadcrumb. Jesus, Mom. I hope the neighbors can't hear you.
Come on, you can do it.
Yeah, look at this little bread trail. That's right, buddy.
Right by the water. Look at water down there. Oh my God, bread. Oh God, what? I'm gonna check him out.
I know. I want to see what he does.
Oh, the water. Come on. Oh my God.
Oh.
He's landed.
That was a good idea.
Oh my God, he's coming. Oh my God. Oh my God. Check him out. Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Who the hell is...
Oh, damn it. I moved my hand too soon.
Only if we have a net, we're gonna catch you already.
I'm not going to try and catch him. Then he'll never come back.
Aww.
You got to build trust, Mom.
Try to trust us.
Look at this. You got all those bread trails coming right back. Ta-da!
Look, guava. Guava jam. We jammy. Come on. We come.
Oh. Okay, I won't move this time. Oh, moving too quickly.
Yo, we like to see your buddy. The buddy.
Uh-huh.
Come here, buddy.
Look, food.
Come on, buddy.
Food.
Come on, buddy.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh, I thought you were flying on me, but nope. You're up there now. Watch, Mom. I want me the bird whisperer. Come on, dude. I only got 7.5 minutes left on this video that I can do.
But you got a close up.
It's already 10 minutes. Yeah, I know.
Oh, 10 minutes. on, birdie.
I wonder if I could put this whole video on Facebook. It's a long video. Mom.
Come on. I can't see.
I don't know if I want all my friends to hear my mom. Oh, where'd he go?
Aww.
Okay.
Well.
Oh, he's right there.
Go have fun with that. Let me know if you catch him out.
There's food.
So I'm gonna leave one banana in there, so I can leave Grandpa 3. That 812.
Okay.
I like to be 012. I'm gonna leave it 2.
Okay.
And you have Kira house.
Yo, dude. Come on.
Picking you up.
Yeah, he doesn't know what to make of me.
Come on, baby.
He had to be some kind of family pet, because a wild lovebird wouldn't do this, right?
No. Either somebody would let him go or he ran away.
One of the two. Huh?
Oh my God.
Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna sit down.
Feathers grew back. Maybe that's why he flew away. His feathers grew back. Back to the drawing board.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit this down. Maybe that's part of the problem. But I can't record with I do not want that to drop. And it's not waterproof. Alright. We'll just point it at the bread. See if he comes there. Okay. Come on, buddy. Any other ideas, Mom?
You're doing it. I'm tired talking to him. I got my beer waiting for me.
Of course.
I got some more food waiting for me. I work tomorrow.
Come on. Here. Have some bread. You don't want any bread?
Obviously, you're lonely, bird. Come and join us.
No.
Come on down. Come on downtown. He says, don't forget it. I don't want to be trapped again. Are you nuts?
No.
He's like, but it's so cold out here. I'm so lonely. I'm so lonely.
Oh, God.
It's pretty chilly.
Oh.
Oh, he like come on you.
I don't know.
Yeah?
Bread. There you go, buddy. Come on. Oh. And move it. Stay right there. Right there. Come on. Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah, we had those big nets. He'd have been caught already.
He's Mom. What would you do with him? Just catch him and you want to keep him as a pet?
I mean, kind of hard to resist, huh? I want love, bird. Look at that. He wants love. I want love. Love me.
Or maybe he wants the guava. Nope. He likes the bread. That's cool.
Love me.
Look at that. Now he's eating in front of me. See, we're building trust.
Yep. That's for sure.
That's pretty cool. I like his colors.
Yeah.
Turquoise, green, yellow, black.
That's the kind of Uncle Nazi got. They got like 100 already.
Nah. I like this bird.
Yeah, I can see why.
Pretty friendly. How'd you I can't believe you actually went to go look at the bird squawking.
You can tell by the voice. Oh, he hungry.
I hope the camera zoomed or angled so it catches him in that picture.
Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Hello.
You're hungry, huh?
Oh, poor baby, so lonely. We're so lonely. We want love.
That's pretty funny.
I want love. I'm too lonely. I want to eat all by myself. Aww.
Well, I guess this was worth it. You know, a whole piece of bread.
Yeah.
Well, this definitely was unexpected. Huh?
Aww.
What should she name him?
I don't know.
I gotta think of a good name. Compadre. Compadre, that's a good name.
They love affection, yeah.
And it's Compadre. You like that name, dude? Means friend. You knew that, right, Mom?
What language is that?
English?
Come, baby. Come on.
Aw, come on. Don't go away. Where are you going? Okay. Ugh. Oh, you flew around the corner. I don't know if you're scared.
Yeah.
Where'd you go, buddy? Oh, you're sitting on the plant pot. Oh, see? Huh? Pretty cool. See? This is just a camera. That's it. That's pretty cool. Oh. Oh, where'd you go?
Alrighty. See if you got him on the grass.
Oh, where'd you go?
I'm tired too. I'm
Yeah.
not going to capture him.